Hi friends, Miss Demetrian here for your math lesson this week. This week we're going to be doing lesson 26, which is understanding teen numbers. So there's some vocabulary that I want to go over with you first before we get started. So the first vocabulary that I want to go over with you is when you count on. And that's when you start with one number and count on to find the total. So if I had 5 and I put 5 in my brain and I started counting 6, 7, 8, that's counting on. Or if I had 10 of something and I counted on, which we're going to be talking about this week. Digits is a symbol used to write numbers. So the digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are called digits. And sometimes we put two digits together to make one number, which we're going to talk about in a moment. A 10 is the number that we say after 9. So when we're counting, the number after 9 is 10. And then our teen numbers, which is what we're going to be focusing on this week, those are the counting numbers that have 1 10 and then some number of ones from 1 to 9. So for example, I have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Those are the teen numbers you're going to be working with this week. And the objective of this lesson is to understand that a teen number is a quantity above 10 between 11 and 19. And when counting a group of 10 can be separated out with some extras left. So I'm going to show you what that means right now. So when I'm saying a teen number, I can separate out a 10 and then count on. So here is an example. So these are hands right here. So if I'm holding up my hands, both of my hands, I know that I have 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can't show a teen number with my hands because I don't have enough fingers. So I would need to borrow a friend to help me. So here's my friend's hands over here. So if I wanted to show 14, I could put up my two hands, which I know are 10, and then my friends can put up four fingers and we can count on. 11, 12, 13, 14. So let's do that again. The number 14 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 can be broken into a group of 10 with 4 extras. I'm going to show you another example using some 10 frames. So if you look here, my first 10 frame is completely filled. When I see a 10 frame that's completely filled, I know that there are 10 counters there. And now I'm going to use my second 10 frame that has some extras in it, and I'm going to count those. So ready? I'm going to say 11, 12, 13. 13 is how much is represented by these two 10 frames. I can do the same thing using snap cubes. So here I have 10 blue snap cubes that I snapped together to make a 10 rod. So I'm going to count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my 10 in my snap cube. And then I have some orange ones over here. These are my extras. I'm going to count those. 11, 12, 13. So again, I have 13. This is two different ways to show the number 13. And again, that's 10 with some 3 extras that make 13. So let's practice a few right now together. So I drew some snap cubes and I drew them so they were snapped in half because this is how you're going to see it on your worksheets this week. So they have 10 snap cubes that they split in half and made 2 groups of 5 here. So if you look, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I always have my 10 blue snap cubes and then they're going to have you count on. So let's count those orange ones here. 10, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 total snap cubes here. All right, let's try this one here. So I know that my blues equal 10 for total, 10. So I'm going to write my 10 here, and then I'm going to count on 11, 12, 13, 14. So my total number of snap cubes here is 14. All right, let's try this one down here. I know that my blue snap cubes equal 10. So I'm going to write my 10 here, and I'm going to count on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Hold on, Marianne. So I have 17 total snap cubes here. And let's do one more together. Again, I know that my blues are 10 if I counted them to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here's my group of 10. And then I have one orange snap cube here, which shows me that I have 11 total snap cubes there. All right, friends, enjoy your math this week, and I'm excited to see you next week. Talk to you soon.